Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Black Desert Online with a controller. First, ensure your controller is connected to your computer, either through a USB cable or wirelessly via Bluetooth. Once connected, open the in-game settings menu. Navigate to Interface Settings, then select Gamepad. Here, you will find two crucial options: Use Gamepad and Use Gamepad UI. Make sure both are activated to enable the game's native controller support and specialized interface. This simple setup will allow you to enjoy the game with greater comfort. Once your controller is active, you will notice the Gamepad UI, which includes a convenient ring menu. This menu, often accessed by pressing a D-pad direction, allows you to quickly select items, skills, or social actions. You can customize these slots to fit your playstyle, assigning up to 8 different functions per ring menu. Additionally, quick slot hotkeys are available by holding a combined key, like a trigger, and pressing one of the 4 face buttons. The world map also adapts, offering intuitive navigation with your analog sticks. Black Desert Online's combat and movement translate smoothly to a controller. Your character's basic attacks and movement abilities are typically assigned to the face buttons and analog sticks. The left analog stick controls your character's direction, while the right analog stick adjusts your camera view. To master combat, start by familiarizing yourself with 1 or 2 core skills, then slowly integrate more complex combos. For travel, you can set a navigation path on the world map, and then activate Auto Run by pressing the left analog stick, allowing for relaxed exploration. For a truly personalized experience, delve into the Action Hotkeys menu to fine-tune your button assignments. You can remap nearly every action to suit your preferences. If the in-game options aren't enough, consider using third-party software like Steam Input for even more advanced customization, including complex macros. While some adventurers prefer keyboard and mouse for the precision of player-versus-player combat, the controller truly shines for everyday activities. It offers a comfortable way to enjoy grinding, gathering resources, and engaging in various life skills, making your Black Desert Online journey more relaxing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.